Today, we're going to take a dive into the moveless world of nutrition labels.
Nutrition labels? What are those?
Nutrition labels are found on the packaging of most food products that we buy. They're like a scientific report card that tells us all about what's inside those products.
Oh, well, what is inside those products?
That's exactly what we're here to find out. Let's learn something utterly fascinating. Let's take a detailed look at a nutrition label. This is an example of a nutrition label. It's kind of like a treasure map guiding us through all of the nutrients that are found in our food. It's packed full of information about what's inside and how it affects our bodies. This label in particular is for a carton of milk.
Oh, that looks like a lot of stuff. I'm so confused.
Don't worry. We'll take a look at this nutrition label together and you'll feel like an expert in no time. Let's first take a look at serving size. This tells us the amount of food the label refers to. Think of it as a baseline measurement for all the nutrients listed. It's really important to pay attention to the serving size so we know we're getting the right amount of nutrients that our bodies need.
Oh, so they're like a magical portion guide that helps us understand how much of a food is right for our bodies.
That's right. Now, taking a look at the nutrition label, can you tell me the recommended serving size?
Let me see. Oh, 250 milliliters.
Exactly. It's really important to note that the serving size is not always the same as the package size. Next up, we have calories. Calories are like the energy currency of food. They tell us how much energy we get from that food. Just like we need to fuel our cars for power, our bodies need fuel to give us energy. In this case, one serving of milk is 130 calories.
Wow! That's enough energy to play a game of hopscotch or dance to my favorite song.
Now let's take a look at the nutrients.
This is where you lose me. What the heck does all this mean?
Well, let me explain. This is where you find out the information about fats, carbohydrates, proteins, and vitamins and minerals. Each one of these nutrients plays a specific role in our body, kind of like puzzle pieces fitting together. For example, fat is a super concentrated source of energy, and it helps our body to absorb nutrients. Carbohydrates give our body lots of energy. Protein helps us grow and build strong muscles. And vitamins and minerals are like superhero nutrients. They keep our body functioning properly. You can find all of these nutrients in a glass of milk.
Okay, I understand now, but one last question.
Sure, Skelly. What is it?
What does percent daily value mean?
Great question. Think of it as a quick guide telling us whether a food has a little or a lot of a certain nutrient. For example, if you see that a certain nutrient has a daily value of 23%, that means if you were to drink a serving of milk, you would be getting 23% of the recommended daily value. That's a lot of calcium in just one serving of milk.
Oh, I get it now.
Now we're both pros.
Yeah!
So in conclusion, nutrition labels are like a scientific guide that give us important information about the food that we eat. By understanding these labels, we're able to make informed decisions and fuel our body with the right nutrients to live a healthy life.
Well, I sure feel like I've gotten 100% of my daily fascinating information.
Good one, Skelly.
Oh, there's moo where that came from.
You should have stopped at one. Well, that's it from us today. I hope you can say that you've learned something utterly fascinating. See you next time.
Cut.
Oh, I feel like we're teetering on the brink of great knowledge. Oh, come on, you're gonna milk this thing for all it's worth. Hey, work with me here. Comedy takes cooperation. Oh, gosh.